In this video, I'll show you how to host a Zoom meeting. The first thing we're going to do is open the Zoom app on your computer or phone, whichever you prefer. If you don't have Zoom installed yet, go to the official Zoom website and download the app. Once you open the Zoom app, you'll see three options. The first one is Join a Meeting, which works only when you already have a meeting link or a meeting ID and passcode. Then you'll see Sign Up if you don't have an account, or Sign In if you already created one. So go ahead and create your account if needed, or simply sign in. Once you log in, this is the dashboard you're going to see. Here you'll have a small calendar showing all the meetings you have scheduled for the day. Now go to where it says New Meeting and click the little arrow next to it. Here, select Use My Personal Meeting ID. After that, click New Meeting to start it. It will ask you which audio you want to use, so I'm going to choose Join with Computer Audio. At the bottom left, you'll also see the option to start your video. To invite people to your meeting, click Participants. Here you'll see different options. You can copy the invite link, which only includes the meeting link, or you can copy the full invitation, which includes the meeting time and other details. If you need the meeting passcode, you'll find it here as well. Copy your invitation and send it to whoever you want to join. You can invite via email as well. If you need more details about this meeting, click on the Meeting Info button. Here you'll find the meeting ID, passcode, meeting link, and more. To manage your meeting, use the controls at the bottom and click Host Tools. Here you'll see all the different options available for you as the host. You can lock the meeting, turn on the waiting room so you control who enters, hide profile pictures, and decide if participants can share their screen, chat, change their name, unmute, start video, or share Zoom documents. You can enable or disable anything you want. If you want to mute yourself, click Audio and this will instantly mute your microphone. To access the chat, click the chat icon at the bottom and type whatever you want to send. If you want to record your meeting, click More and select Record, and your meeting will start recording. When you're done, click End and choose End Meeting for All. This will close the meeting for everyone. If you want to schedule a Zoom meeting, click on Schedule from your home screen and add details about your future meetings. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.